Hey everybody, I'm just gonna throw in a quick nail haul for you guys real quick. I am going to be swatching my favorite brand off Amazon. It is a Chinese nail brand. I really like this brand. Hold on, y'all. Whoop. I really like this brand. It is really good. It is a cheap alternative if you like the Korean syrup gels, but this is a budget. So the brand I'm going to be talking about is GOAY. Hi, future editing Diamond here. I just want to let you guys know that in this video, I didn't realize how bad I butchered this name. It is not Goya. In Chinese, it is Gao Yi, or yeah, Gao Yi. So yeah, so the brand name is Gao Yi. It is a Chinese brand. It is not a Korean brand. I looked it up. It's a Chinese brand, and the brand is called Gao Yi. Yeah. So just want to put this out there. Don't want to offend anybody if I say it wrong or anything like that. I'm sorry, but now I know. Just coming in to let you know the brand is called Gao Yi, not Goya. So yeah. I love this brand. I absolutely love it. It gives me the the quality of Korean brand gel nails, except at a better budget. So I love this brand, and I'll be swatching this today. Only a couple though, and this is my first time trying this brand. I hear it's really good, and I'll be swatching this on top of this brand. I hear this is also really good, but I only got one of these because it's only one thing that I wanted, and I'll show you guys what this is. So I'm finna get these open and we'll start swatching them. And this is 1507. It is a nude gel. I wanted it because it had that skin tone looking color, and I don't have a color like this, so I got that. Also, the rest of these, the other three are shimmers. I was really looking for like a very fine shimmer gel polish, and of course my favorite brand had to come through, and they're in nude type color. 1616. It is a light pink. I must watch these so you can see them better, but it is a light pink. Let me see if I can zoom this in so you can. Okay, light, like a light this is so hard to do by myself. A light pink shimmer color. It's really pretty. I really like it. I can't wait to swatch that. This one is 1615. Let me see if I can get it close so you can see. This is a pretty like burgundy nude looking color. The viscosity is really good. It's really syrupy. I like it. Yes. Okay, there's that one. And this is 1617. I know one of these on Amazon was almost sold out. And these were also on sale for Prime Day. I didn't get these for Prime Day. I really should have waited to get these for Prime Day, but I didn't because I really wanted them before they sold out. This is another nude. It's kind of like the first one, except it's just a little bit darker. Again, the viscosity is really good. It's like a syrupy type gel. The glitter is absolutely amazing, super fine and super pretty. Love this brand. This is by RARJSM. I don't even know how to say that. It's a pearl. I had already swatched this, so I'm just go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It is a pearl type effect polish, and I think it's really freaking pretty, and this is exactly what I wanted, and it exactly gave me exactly what I needed. So there's that. That's already swatched. And then I have this. I do not have any green at all in my gel polish collection. So I got this one, and it is 0733. It is a bright green, like a bright neon type green. Again, this brand I hear is really good. I'm gonna tell you a story about this brand. Okay, so this brand on Amazon has given me the hardest time ever. This is my third time actually having this in my hands. I ordered this with the bundle with the gel extension gel with the tips. I had to return it because it didn't come with the gel the first time. It came again the second time, still did not come with the gel. I only got the tips. So I was like, okay, screw this. I'm just gonna return this, get a refund, and get my money back. I waited for like 2 weeks, finally got my money back, and I just ordered just the tips because that's all they kept sending me was just the tips. And at a later date, I will buy the gel that comes with this to extend the tips, but in the video I'll show you the gel I'm going to actually be using with these. It is the F Gel Give Me Base Gel, and I really like that gel. It lasts a very long time on my nails when I do Gel X, so I can't wait to try out these extensions. I hear they're really good, but we will see how they are. So this is what I'm going to be using on my nails, the Sculpted Coffin Long. I love coffin, and if they're really good, then I will order the almond. My go-to shapes for my hands are almond and coffin. A stiletto on me does not look really good, so yeah, so I'm gonna be trying these today. Okay, so we're just gonna start off in order, and I'm going to swatch 1507. It is the nude color, and of course I'm using the Gel X tips that I showed you. I got this because I want to freehand drawing art, and this is like the perfect nude for like faces. I think it's absolutely perfect, and I really don't have a color, like a skin tone color. Sorry y'all, I'm all out of frame. I really don't have a skin tone color in my arsenal. Like, I have all these lights on, so it makes it look a lot lighter than what it really is, but it's more pinky than it really is. So that is 1507. Now I'm gonna go in with 1615, then 1616, then 1617. Okay, I'm gonna do one coat, and then I'm gonna come back and do two.
Don't look at me like that. They try to act like you ain't going crazy for me, baby, you can. I'm fighting all my feelings, but it's hard to get you out of my head. And I should know that it's time to let you go. This could really hurt, but I don't care. So put me on your schedule.
These three so far. Try to get in focus. And now I'm finna to do, that was 1616, I'm finna do 1617. And these are all shimmer colors. I am absolutely in love with all of them so far. With this brand, it does not disappoint. You get exactly what you get exactly what you want and exactly what you're paying for. The quality is top notch, like top freaking notch. I love this brand. Oh, I hope I was in frame for that, but y'all know how to paint nails. Come on now. If you've been following me and I teach you, you know how to do it. Oh my god, this is probably like my favorite. Like, come on, this is so pretty. Focus, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the I don't even know how to say, the MODLONES brand. One coat. The pigment on this is fantastic, so I can already tell this brand is great. Okay, so there's this. I'm gonna cure this and then come back with two coats. I'm gonna just show you what it looks like with one coat, if I can get this not to be so dang blurry. Okay, this is one coat. And then we're gonna cure this, and I'm gonna come back with the second coat. I was gonna do this off camera, but I wanted to show you guys. So I got a polish brush, and I'm going in with Jim B's non-wipe overlay crazy top standard gel polish, top gel. So it's one of my favorite gels, but everybody uses a brush, but I have more control when it comes to these brushes, so that's what I'm using on the nails. So this is the GOAY gel 1507. On camera it looks more white, but in person it's more pink, it's more nude. Let me see if I can turn off this light, see if it shows. Okay, yeah, it's not showing it, but it is more pink than what is showing. This glitter is absolutely pretty. It's more like a gold, like gold reflex glitter in here. Like it's like gold and pink. It's really pretty. This one is 1616. Oh, sorry. This one was 1615. This is 1616. It is a purple and pink type glitter inside. I wish the camera was picking it up as good as I wanted it to pick it up. Let me turn off these lights, see if I can get it to pick up the glitter. Let me see. It's gonna be kind of dark in here. No, even with the lights off, it's not piggy. You can see the gold in this one, but you can't see the pink. I promise that it is there. It is really pretty. Pink and purple. This has more purple and gold glitter in it. Like you can kind of see the purple more than you can see the gold in this one. It's really pretty. And this is the green, the lime green that I have. I know, plain boring green, but I wanted to show you guys the final result. Really don't need 2 coats with this. You literally only need 1, but I feel like 2 coats, I like 2 coats, but you can do it however you want, but you definitely do not need 2 coats. These, it holds its own, and it's really pretty. And let me show the white again. It is pearl effect. You can also not do the pearl effect where it's just plain white shimmery type gel. Is really pretty. I know my nails are busted. We about to do those. But these are definitely it. And when you order the kits, they do come in the smaller size. These are the full size bottles. These are 16 milliliters, and this is 7.3. So they are a lot smaller. So when you buy the kits, they come in the smaller size. These are the full size. You have to buy these separately. These do not come in the kit size. These you buy separately. These do have kits, but it's only 3 polishes in the kit. So just be mindful of that when these are separate. I will link in the description box below where you can get these and where you can order them. They'll be on my Amazon storefront along with all the other stuff that I use. And these tips, I will put these in the description if I like these. But I really have a brand that I actually like. I'm sure y'all probably seen it. It's like Unagella. I love these. Look, I'm almost out of these. I love this brand. When I do Gel X, I use these. They stay on my nails for up to 3 to 4 weeks using that brand. So these are supposed to do the same. So we're about to see. So it is literally the next day, and I got the colors I was waiting for in this color, and it is in 0286 by this brand. And it is a, let me see if I can get it to focus. I was telling you I didn't have an orange, but now I do. It is a pumpkin orange. It's actually darker in real life because on the camera I got all these lights, so it's making it look lighter than what it is. But yeah. And then the other color I have by this brand is in, oh, you can't barely see that, is 0573, and it is a iridescent. I thought it was silver because on the picture on Amazon it looks silver, but it's actually iridescent, like it's rainbow. It's a rainbow color. Very sparkly. I was hoping that it was like a clear type glitter, but it's not. But it's okay because I'll be using that on my nails. This right here.
Don't look at me like that. They try to act like you ain't going crazy for me, baby, you can't. I'm fighting all my feelings, but it's hard to get you out of my head. And I should know that it's time to let you go. This could really hurt, but I don't care. So put me on your schedule. We don't have to lie, girl, this is special. We both have our reasons.
Okay, I am back and this is the final result. The orange is absolutely so pretty, and this iridescent one is really pretty. Even though it's not the one I wanted, it is really pretty, and I'm actually thinking about putting it on my nails for my birthday nail video. And if you want to see these done, head over to my birthday nail video where you will see me use the gels that I swatched in this video. And that is it. I hope you guys like this video and you comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're here. Thank you so much for watching this far, and I will see you guys later. Bye.